Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're doing a Stylevana haul. So if you want to see what I've got in Stylevana website, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're ready to subscribe, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're doing a Stylevana haul. So if you're new to the Stylevana, I have like a list or playlist of videos that I did my haul or try on from this website. Stylevana, it's a website and they sell authentic Korean beauty products from skincare to makeup. So if you want to check it out, Stylevana, I have the link down below, but also lovelies, I have discount code. So if you want to use that one, I will pop in here and I will pop also in the description box below. All the link of the products that I will mention today, all the info, everything will be in the description box below. So let's get started. It came with this box. It's quite huge, but it also came with loads of bubble wrap, so all the products inside are secure, and the delivery times, as always, lovelies, as I said in my other videos, that they come really quickly. If the products are available, they came out like 5 working days, maximum 1 week. I ordered many times from Stylevana and I never had any problems from them. So the first product I have here, and this is from Anwa Heart Leaf Mud Cream Mask. I never heard from this brand. So this is the packaging, and it says here, keep things simple. It has the sealed on, and let's open this. They always came with the sealed, and I appreciate it, but it takes me like forever to open them. It does look like this inside. It's really cute packaging. I like. It says keep things simple. Doesn't smell of anything, but let's see what it says on their website. So this one, it's 3 to 4, 20 pounds and 28 pence. But on Stylevana, it's 3 to 4, 15 pounds and 49. Yes, Stylevana, they always do discounted price. However, the products are very authentic one. And here it says, formulated with 70% Hotunia, I can't pronounce that word, cordate extract and other naturally derived ingredients. Anwa's moisturizing heart relief mud cream mask suits sensitive skin and protects it from free radical damage. That's why it doesn't smell of anything, because it is perfect for sensitive skin. And this one has, I think, 100 ml. So it says, we believe the power of ingredients found in nature formulated with purifying botanical ingredients excluding unnecessary chemicals. Our products live up to its full potency and potential. Living with less can give you more. How to use it: apply a visible layer to clean skin, allow face mask to dry, rinse with warm water, and massage skin in a gentle circular motion. So yes, so this is the first product. The next one I have here from Circle. I never heard from this brand too. Absolute Deep Cleansing Oil. This sounds really good. And this one, it says lightweight and spreadable texture, deep cleansing face oil. It melts makeup easily and emulsifies quickly to cleanse the face. Let's see inside. So this is the outer packaging. It's very fancy. I like, and if you follow me for a while, you know that I don't really like the feeling of the oil on my face. However, if it's like cleansing one, like to take off all the makeup, if it's like 2-in-1, 3-in-1, I don't really mind, because anyway I will wash it off. It does look like this inside, and it has 150 ml, I think. So yeah, made in Korea, it says here. And then here it says, let me see what it says on the website. This one, it's rated for 18 pounds and 72 pence. However, in Stylevana, it's discounted for 48.8% off, and it's rated for 9 pounds 59. We love bargains. So yes, I will try this one and then we'll see. And the next one I have here, it's from Unique Centella Calming Daily Sunscreen. It has SPF 50+, PA+++, Centella Asiatica Extract 49%, UVA and UV protection, soft texture and moisturizing. Here we go. And you know, if you follow me for a while, you know that I love sunscreen from Korean brands because I found them not really sticky at all, very lightweight one, it doesn't transfer, they last throughout the day. I honestly reapply once during the day, and then it's look like this inside. Very cute packaging. Let me try it on. I can try this one on with you, lovelies. Yeah, I don't know why I show you, lovelies, but yeah, it's not sticky. If you have like a very sensitive or oily skin, it's not really sticky, very lightweight. You see, it absorbs really quickly. So this one, lovelies, it's retail for £12.47, but Stylevana website it's retail for £9.19. And let's see what it says on the website, because this one, it's written in Korean that this is a mild daily sunscreen. I understand that this is a mild one because it's for like oily skin, sensitive skin, and it says that can gently protect your skin from UV rays, formulated with a view protecting power of SPF 50+, 50 PA+++, contains centella extract which help to soothe your skin under the heat and exposure to sunlight, contains centella extract which helps to soothe your skin under the heat and exposure to sunlight, a lightweight watery texture. Yes, it is a watery one, it's not really thick consistency, and that won't leave any white cast. So yes, and I tried few products from this brand, Unique, and they're really good. So yes, I will definitely recommend this one. And then we have another sunscreen in here. Enjoy Super Mild Sun Essence. It does look like this outside, and let's see inside here. This one has 50 ml, so it does look like this inside. It's really cute packaging. This product, it's retail for £15.60, but at the moment in Stylevana website it's retail only for £5.99. Very bargain one, like a 61% off. And let's see what it says here. It says that this one is inspired by the life cycle of a plant seed scenic, uses botanical extract for its makeup and skincare ranges for men and women. Its product boosts the skin natural immunity and refine the invigorating skin cells. The brand develops skin-friendly cosmetics to promote overall skin health without the use of parabens, artificial color, mineral oil, or genetically modified ingredient. How to use: before going out, to apply and spread evenly onto areas likely to be exposed to UV rays. And then the next one I have here, we have a Cica Collagen Essence from VT. I tried few products from this one and it's really good. This one is the VT Cica Collagen Essence. It does look like this. A very cute packaging too. It has a double sealed, so I will try my best to open it really quickly. So it does look like this inside. It's very cute. It has the pump, and let's see what it says in here. So this product, it's retail for £22.46, but in Stylevana website it's retail for £13.59. And here it says this one is a rich collagen essence to tighten and soothe skin, infused with 300 DA low molecular fish collagen that can be easily absorbed than other animal collagens. Contain hydroxypinacolone retinoate, 99% pure retinol that shrinks pores and tightens skin. Contains glycine, soja, phytoplacenta extract that tightens skin and stimulate collagen production. Pass skin irritation test and is suitable for all skin type. And I recommend to use Essence. I found them important step on my skin because I feel like when I apply Essence, the other products it absorb really well. I usually do cleansing, toner, and essence, and then serum, moisturizing, SPF. So yes, I always found that it's very essential to use essence one. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Numbuzin. I think I have this product before and I tried it and it's really good. This is the super glowing essence. I have number 3. And this one, lovelies, it's retail for £17.94, but in Stylevana website it's retail only for £9.99. And I really like that after I use this one, it makes my skin very glow. So yes, I just applied this one in cotton pads one, and then I applied it all over my face, and I really like the result after I use this one. And it says here, a fermentation essence store containing 50 fermented ingredients that fills the face with luxurious glows. Yeah, I really do like this one. And then the last 2 products I have here, I have one from Madagascar, Centella. This is the tone brightening capsule ampule. This one I'm really excited to use because it says here, this is a high performance ampule with a minimal ingredient list. Beads of concentrated Madagascar sauce, I can't pronounce those words, and niacinamide they melt and absorb into the skin to strengthen skin moisture barrier and brighten skin tone. Light formula quickly absorb into skin, leaving no sticky residue. As I said before, loves, my skin type is quite mixed one. On summer, in my T-zone, it's very quite oily, and other part are normal one. In winter one, I have very dry skin all over my face, so it's like combination one. But I usually apply in summer very light product. In winter one, I usually apply very thick consistency product, very moisturizing one. So ooh, this is cool. Can you see, lovelies? Really cool. So yes, I'm really excited for this one, and let's see how much this one. So this one has 100 ml, I think, and this one it's retail for £19.11, but on Stylevana website it's retail for £12.09. And the last product I have here, which is from Madagascar Centella. This is the Probiotica Enriched Cream. Very large product, very massive one. And I tried a few products, so I know that they are really good products. So you have this kind of applicator, really cute. Never saw a applicator like this. And you have your product here inside. Oh, it's like a cream one, and it doesn't smell of anything. That's the good thing about Korean products too, lovelies. If you're quite sensitive about smell, this product, they don't smell of anything, and they are really good with a sensitive skin. So yeah, this is the last product that I have in this box. So yes, lovely, these are the products that I've got from Stylevana. So if you want to check this product in the Stylevana website, I have all the link down below. But also, if you want to use my discount code, which is itsmejayca, I think, you will get, I think, 10% off. All the info will be in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this product, lovelies? Have you tried this product before? What products did you try in Stylevana website? Have you tried Korean product before? Just let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing Stylevana haul, unboxing beauty haul, and don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.